Hey there, car lovers! Today's video is an exciting one. We're counting down the top 10 classic cars I found on Facebook Marketplace right now. So, buckle up and get ready to drool over some incredible machines. Starting off at number 10, 1933 Plymouth car for $15,000. Get ready for the dream cruise with this 1933 Plymouth Hot Rod. Seller states has a 440 engine bored and stroked to a 502. Has fuel injection, BM shifter, Mustang's 2 front end, fiberglass body, Ford 9-inch rear end, plus much more. Coming in at number 9 is a 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 for $21,995. Seller states this 2-door hardtop has fuel-injected roller motor, mild cam, Kenny Bell twin-screw supercharger. Has methanol injection, crane ignition system, also has a rebuilt C4 trans with autometer gauges. Not perfect, but pretty fun to drive. Seller states $22,000 or best offer. May take even trade or partial trade. At number 8, we've got a 1964 Ford Falcon for $12,000. The car is an older build and comes with a lot of extra parts, mostly exterior parts. Seller states the car has 90 Model 5.0 drivetrain with many extras such as AFR aluminum heads, Ford's i303 camshaft. The car is a manual 5-speed that shifts amazing. It has disc brakes up front rack and pinion steering. Has a Ford 8.8 with 4.10 gear and more. Number 7 is a 1958 Ford Custom 300 for $25,000. The seller states the car has a 347 new crate motor blueprint engine, 355 gear rear end, new radiator, and much more. The seller is firm at $25,000 cash only. It's perfect for cruising down the highway in style. Rolling in at number 6 is a 1958 Chevrolet Bel Air for $22,000. This 58 is in great shape and a great driver, $22,000 or best offer. Seller states the car has a rebuilt motor V8, aluminum radiator, 4-barrel carb all new, 4-wheel disc conversion, MAGAFlow exhaust, needs nothing, making it ready for the road. Halfway through at number 5, we have a 1934 Oldsmobile F34 2-door sedan for $17,500. This one's a true vintage gem. This is a very rare 1934 Oldsmobile. If you want to have the only car at a car show that nobody else has, this is the car for you. Perfect for those who appreciate the classics. Seller states overall a very solid, very rare old hot rod. Runs, rides, and drives very well. Check out the listing for all the upgrades. What do you think of this car? Number 4 is a 1969 Plymouth Fury for $12,500. This 2-door has the factory red exterior with the black interior. The numbers matching 318 V8 with 84,000 original miles. Seller states, this is a daily driver in the summers. New ignition, plugs, distributor, capacitor. This car has many upgrades and all 4 windows work. What do you think of this car? Let us know in the comments. At number 3, there's a 1955 Chevrolet Classic for $16,200. This classic Chevy 210 has a 235 straight 6-cylinder with 3 on the tree. Interior is in very nice shape, very nice paint job, and needs very few things to complete car, such as headliner and a little TLC. Coming in at number 2, we have a 1965 Chevrolet Nova Duce 2-door for $16,000. Seller states 350 automatic pretty nice car. Runs and drives great. What do you all think of this car? Worth the $16,000? And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is a 1928 Ford Club Wagon Passenger for $12,500. The seller only states will not answer still available. The car runs and gets down the road. You have to love the old classic cars. So there you have it, folks. The top 10 classic cars found on Facebook Marketplace right now. If you're in the market for a head-turning ride, these beauties are definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome car content. See y'all next time.